Samani Pins and Vasela, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Makumalo did a great job in Gompil. Although it is not easy to be in her shoes, the fact that she does not have her own kids, and people were surprised at the gap between Makumalo, the way Umpilo respect Makumalo, you would think that there's a huge gap. So for those who don't know, Makumalo, she's 34 years old. Umpilo, she is 21 years old, and people are saying that Makumalo understood Musamsaleko's mission. I mean, Musamsaleko's assignment, because trust me and believe there are two things that one needs to do in order to receive love from Musamsaleko, especially if you are a daughter. And Makumalo, she has mastered that when it comes to Mpilo. So for those who don't know these two stuff, so now people do understand that Musamsaleko does not hate snakes, just that there are two things that Musamsaleko needs from Sneh, and Sneh failed to give that. Another thing is that Sneh does not respect Macele the same way Mpilo respect Makumalo. So there are two things Musamsaleko wants from all her daughters. Here and Musa and Mpilo, she's doing exactly that. The first thing it is to be in school, and secondly to stay away from boys. As long as you stay away from boys and focus on your school. So for those who don't know, Mpilo, she's currently in university, but people are really arguing, saying that what about Mpumelelo, because he's doing the opposite thing, because Mpumelelo already has 3 kids. And Sneh has 2 kids. So what's the difference? But people are saying the boys are boys, the girls are boys. So when it comes to Musamsaleko, meaning that he see a future in Mpilo, and people are saying that a car is coming from Mpilo because of her behavior. And another good thing is that Musa mentioned that finally they will change Mpilo's signing, because the way she's carrying herself, meaning Mpilo, she is getting the car. Maybe the reason why Musamsaleko wants to protect Mpilo is because of the bride price. Honey, looking at the Mpilo, you can see that it is a bride price. It is coming. So Musamsaleko is making sure that, you know what, it's not about showing, not leading by example, but he's looking at her as a way of saying, you know what, at least I'm gonna get some lobol, I'm gonna get the bride prize. My daughter, she's gonna make me proud, because you know what, she is a good girl and she's very behind. Thanks to Makumalo for understanding Musamsaleko's assignment. No wonder why they are getting along, Musamsaleko and Makumalo, because one thing about Makumalo, she will do what Musamsaleko wants, and you can see that, you can see the results in Mpilo. If it wasn't for Makumalo, probably Mpilo was not going to be here. You understand? So Makumalo understood the assignment. You can see that she's doing exactly what Musamsaleko, and she has achieved in all the angle. But people are really complaining that yesterday on Izingani's Tembu episode, we saw Mpilo with her dad, and people felt like Musamsaleko should have done the same thing with Sneh. You know, maybe Sneh would have 1 kid, or maybe she will not have kid right now. She will also be focusing on her school, but it feels like Musamsaleko it's not fair when it comes to Sneh and Mpilo, and no wonder why Sneh thinks that her siblings don't respect her, because the way Musamsaleko treat her kids, because he does not treat them equally, looking at Abongwe, Mpilo, and Sneh. So anyway, guys, let's tell me in the conversation, what do you think? Do you think Makumalo is the reason why Mpilo is soon to get the car? Because it seems like Musamsaleko is ready to provide for Mpilo everything she wants, because she even said that she wants to ask money from her father. His father was like, as long as you are making me proud, I'm gonna continue to provide for you, and I'm gonna show you the love, meaning that 2 things need to achieve in order to be Musamsaleko's love. So anyway, guys, today Musamsaleko's love is very expensive, but anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Thank you so much. Happy